That?
Yeah. Faster a bit, faster a bit. Okay, this speed. Go. นี่ไม่ใช่ป่ะไม่ใช่ faster. Okay. Yeah, this sound. This is the sound. Oh, straight, up. Okay. I want to hold it. Okay, hold it. Oh, I see fish, you see?
Is it about that? Close to shore like that?
Yeah, good. Yeah, like can. Yes. Yes. You slow. Bông sa ăn chứ. Ồ, xoay. Kìa.
Sorry.
Ồ. Continue. Misa, continue. Correct. Your first Toman. Ui, small one. Continue. Small one we don't want. Where's the worm? Cast closer. You want a big one? You see the fish in front. You see? Oh. Good. Wow, nice. Boom. Oh. Bring up. Okay. Release it. No. Okay, give to me. Boom. Oh. See how big? Oh. Let me see. Oh, good size, huh?
Yeah.
Wait. เร็วมาช้อนเลยช้อนหมดผมมือไม่ว่าไม่คุณก็ปล่อยสิเอาเร็วช้อนเร็วปล่อย
Finally.
So many. I don't need you crazy. Go towards it. Down. Okay. Oh, sorry, big, nice size. Nice, thank you. Okay. Fast. Okay. I want to hold it. Okay, hold it first. Hold it. No, listen. No. Okay. Can bring up. Okay.
Hey. Oh, so fun though.
Pass by it, center. Wait. Go. Okay, go. Win, just go. Keep talking. Very good. Good. Yes, good. Yes. Keep casting it. The water is. Crank fast. Always look fast straight ahead. Look for. Yes. Yes. Because we are passing by, man. Oh yes. Continue. Straight. Sorry. Yes. Good. To the right. Yes. Put the rod down a bit. Okay. You keep passing. Then one of the cars, you will just now you see in front of her, she will bite it. Okay, go. Never mind, go. Cast. Hey, no, towards her. First Toman, okay?
Yeah.
Release. Yes. Okay, bye. Okay, good fish. You got it, yes, yes. Oh, okay. Loosen the drag, okay. Wait. Stop, I got. Chọn cho đi. Wait. Don't loosen the drag. Ôi, chơi bóng kia đi. Wait. Go away for me first. Wait. Got it. Loosen the drag. Open the bell. Hold it. Bring. Nice. Bring up. Nice. Very good. Hi, Daryl. We are now on the way back to Bangkok. So, how's the fishing trip for the past 2 days?
It was
for the
good.
Snakehead?
Good. Yeah, it was tiring. A lot of work, but it was good.
So, how you find snakehead fishing?
It is interesting. Very.
As compared to your back in the States, the bass fishing.
Just different.
How
It was
different?
good. Different style. So definitely have to set harder.
So
different.
how many fish do you catch, you know?
I can't remember how many we caught total. Probably 8, something like that.
Okay.
7, 8, something like
Not
that.
bad.
I think so.
This is the first time?
First time.
First time, huh?
First time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, will you come back again next time you come
Absolutely.
visit? Okay.
Yeah, I would love to do it again.
Thanks.
Yeah.
How about, will you recommend BKK fishing tour to your friend back in the States?
Of course. Yes, if they want to come out here, it would be a great time. They would love it.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, hope to see you next time.
Yes. Definitely.
Okay, thank you. Okay, release. This side. Okay, good.